Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to unlock players in FIFA Mobile. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to go to the market option. Okay, you'll just have to tap on it. It is beside the exchange option. Okay, and then click on my players. So as you can see, the players at the top corner are all locked. So in order to unlock them, you'll have to tap on one of them. Okay, and then when the cell option turns blue or dark blue, so you can tap on it and then it will give you the option to unlock the player. But since I just downloaded this game recently, so I don't really have that feature yet. But if you're playing the game, so you just have to tap on the cell, okay, and then it will give you the option to unlock the player. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.